Off the coast of Australia lies the Great Barrier Reef, a realm of unparalleled beauty and biodiversity. Stretching over 1,400 miles, this intricate tapestry of coral reefs is so vast it can be seen from space. But its true splendor lies beneath the surface, in a dazzling kaleidoscope of colors and life. Corals form the skyscrapers, providing shelter and sustenance to a dazzling array of marine life. Join us as we journey into the heart of this underwater city to uncover its secrets and marvel at its wonders. Just like any city, the Great Barrier Reef is a complex network of interconnected neighborhoods. Each coral species forms its own unique habitat, providing shelter, food, and breeding grounds for a myriad of creatures. Damselfish flit through the corals, their scales shimmering like jewels. Parrotfish, with their powerful beaks, graze on algae, crucial for maintaining the reef's health. Sharks, the apex predators, patrol the reef's edges, ensuring a healthy balance within the ecosystem. But this city under the sea faces unprecedented challenges from climate change, pollution, and overfishing. Life on the reef is a constant struggle for survival, where each species plays a crucial role in maintaining the delicate balance of the ecosystem. The corals themselves, though seemingly inanimate, are actually colonies of tiny animals called polyps. Sea turtles graze on seagrass beds, preventing them from overgrowing and suffocating the corals. Manta rays visit the reef to be cleaned by cleaner fish, who remove parasites and dead skin. This symbiotic relationship benefits both parties, highlighting the interconnectedness of life on the reef. Even the humblest of creatures like sea cucumbers play a vital role by consuming sediment and detritus, keeping the water clear. The city that never sleeps has nothing on the Great Barrier Reef. Here, life is in perpetual motion, a constant dance of survival, reproduction, and growth. As the sun rises, the reef awakens. Fish emerge from their nighttime shelters, ready to feed and begin their daily routines. Coral spawning events, a spectacle of nature, occur once a year under the light of the full moon. The currents that flow through the reef bring with them a constant supply of nutrients, fueling the growth of corals and providing sustenance for filter feeders. Even in the darkness of the deep, life on the reef continues, with nocturnal predators like moray eels and sharks emerging to hunt. This vibrant underwater city faces a growing list of threats. Climate change is causing ocean temperatures to rise, leading to coral bleaching events that devastate vast areas of the reef. Pollution from coastal development and agricultural runoff is another major threat. Plastic waste entangles and suffocates marine animals, damaging the delicate balance of the reef. Overfishing also takes its toll, with unsustainable practices destroying coral habitats and decimating fish populations. As corals die, so too do the countless species that depend on them for food and shelter. The time to act is now. We must address the root causes of these threats and work together to protect this global treasure. The Great Barrier Reef is more than just a natural wonder, it's a global treasure that belongs to all of us. Its survival depends on our collective action to reduce our impact on the planet. By reducing our carbon footprint, we can help mitigate the effects of climate change and give the reef a fighting chance. Supporting sustainable fishing practices ensures that fish stocks are managed responsibly. Reducing our reliance on single-use plastics and properly disposing of waste prevents these harmful materials from entering our waterways. Every action, no matter how small, can make a difference. Let us be the generation that chooses to protect the Great Barrier Reef. As we've seen, the Great Barrier Reef is a place of astonishing beauty and complexity, a testament to the power of nature to create and sustain life in its most wondrous forms. But it is also a place of fragility, vulnerable to the pressures of a changing world. The future of this irreplaceable ecosystem hangs in the balance, and its fate ultimately rests in our hands. Let us strive to be better stewards of our planet, to protect this precious treasure, and ensure that future generations can marvel at its wonders just as we have.